welcome to KGWALI Near and Far. Hello kids, how are you all? Good? Very nice. So in the previous videos we have learned about so many things, and today again we are going to learn some basic writing pattern. And what were those in the previous videos? Standing line, sleeping line, and a slanting line. Yes, and today we are going to learn about curves. But before we start studying curves, everybody show me your left hand. Left hand, and your right hand please. Right hand. Yes, left hand and a right hand. Yes, very good. So today we are going to learn curves. That is a left curve that is going towards the left, and a right curve that is going towards the right. Yes. So children, let's start with writing curves. And how do we write curves, children? When we talk about left curve, so this is the left direction. Everybody show me your left hand. Yes, left curve. So our curve will go towards the left. So how do we write it? It will go like left. It is going towards the left side. I will draw an arrow that is going towards the left. One more. Curve left. Yes, very good. That is, it is looking towards the left direction. And now right curve, which is the right side. This one, my right hand is this. So it will go like this, right. Yes. And I will draw an arrow because I am bringing the curve and going towards the right direction. So this is a right curve. And now one more. Yes, it's like a C. And C is a right curve. Very good, children. You all are so genius. Yes. So this is a right curve which is open towards the right side. And this is the left curve which is open towards the left side. Excellent, children. So now let's see how do we draw left curve and a right curve one more time. Let's see how to draw a left curve. Put your pencil down. Curve to the left side. Now let's see the right curve. Put your pencil down and go towards the right side. And this is a right curve. Okay, children. So very good. This was about the pattern writing of left curve and right curve. And now we are going to see some examples of curve lines. Yes, you all are ready? So let's see. A left curve road and a right curve road. And now a left curve banana and a right curve banana going towards the right side. Very good, children. So today you have studied about the curve lines. Left curve and the right curve. Yes. So see you in the next video, and in the next video we are going to study about curves again. Again curves? Yes, but in a different way. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe KGWALI.